to look 10 years younger than your age naturally. Ingredients: turmeric, basil, cinnamon, clove. Basil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help protect the body from oxidative stress. It also contains essential oils that have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is another ingredient with antioxidant properties. It may help fight inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Some studies have suggested that cinnamon may improve collagen levels, which can enhance skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Clove is known for its high antioxidant content, which can help combat free radicals and prevent oxidative damage. It also possesses antimicrobial properties, which may be beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. Clove oil is often used in cosmetic products for its potential anti-aging effects. Turmeric supports collagen production, which is important for maintaining skin elasticity.